Experiencing call failures on your Verizon Android or iPhone? It's often due to network connectivity issues or VoLTE misconfiguration. First, check your signal strength. Anything below 100 dBm can cause problems. Ensure your APN settings are correct. V's Winternet for data and VWIMS for VoLTE. Next, verify VoLTE is enabled. On Android, find it under Settings, Network Internet, Mobile Network Advanced. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Finally, update your carrier settings. Settings General, About on iPhone or Software Update on Android. These steps resolve most basic issues, with 85% of call failures fixed by simple restarts or toggling airplane mode. If basic troubleshooting fails, try a soft reset by restarting your device to clear temporary glitches. For persistent problems, consider a hard reset or factory reset, but always back up your data first. Test in safe mode to identify app conflicts that might cause issues. Verizon is moving towards 5G voice or VoNR, which should reduce reliance on VoLTE and minimize call failures. Consider enabling Wi-Fi calling for better indoor coverage and seamless connectivity. According to Verizon's Q3 2025 report, 12% of issues require VoLTE re-enabling. For example, Samsung Galaxy S24 users resolved most VoLTE problems after an Android 14 patch. Experts suggest prioritizing carrier setting updates before resorting to resets. Use Verizon's My Network app for diagnostics to improve call success. Future AI-driven solutions should automate many of these fixes, potentially reducing issues by 75% by 2027.